Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to do comparison of the pros and the cons of Adobe Photoshop. Now you see, Adobe Photoshop is a digital wizard that turns your selfies into masterpieces or nightmares depending. Let's be real, Photoshop is like giving a toddler a flamethrower. It can create magic but can also burn your entire project to the ground. Whether you're a pro designer or just trying to remove your ex from family photos, let's break down the good, the bad, and why your cat now has 3 eyes. So, when it comes to editing power, Photoshop can turn a potato into a supermodel, or a supermodel into a potato, depending. And the con is that the undo button is your best friend because mistakes happen a lot in Adobe Photoshop. When it comes to the tools galore, Photoshop has a lot of tools like brushes, filters, and effects so powerful they should come with a warning label. But when it comes to the con, the learning curve is steeper than Mount Everest. So if you're a beginner, you're gonna find it extremely difficult. Then let's move on to creative freedom. When it comes to creative freedom, Adobe Photoshop makes anything. Art, memes, fake UFO sightings, you name it, it can make anything. But when it comes to the con, if you try to change a little thing there, it turns into a 5-hour time waste. Now when it comes to compatibility, yes, Photoshop works with other Adobe apps like a dysfunctional but talented family. But when it comes to the con, the files are always bigger than your student's loan debt. Then if we look at the pricing, Photoshop has industry standard because everyone else is suffering too. And when it comes to the con, the subscription costs more than your Netflix, Spotify, and coffee addiction combined. So, what's my final verdict? Should you worship at the altar of Photoshop? Well, if you're a professional and a perfectionist, then yes, Photoshop is the best for you or nothing else. But if you're a casual user, maybe you should stick to Instagram filters. You see, Photoshop is like a magic wand with a grudge. Unbeatable power, but it will judge your life choices. So use it to create greatness, but maybe keep a tutorial tab open forever. If you master the pen tool, you officially unlock God mode. The rest of us are still crying in the corner. If you are still unsure, try removing a photo bomber. If you succeed, you are ready. If you turn them into a demon, stick to finger painting. Hope you found this video helpful.